How do you mean? I can't see any boat. My eyes are very bad. Where are we? Oh my God, quick, we're all stuck. We're never going to get out our whole lives. Where are we? I can't let go. We're stuck. And now the huge waves are coming as well. The massive waves are going to come and we're all going to be in the water. What are we going to do now? Quick, we're going back this way. Quick, all the policemen are coming. Quick, we'll hide in here. Nobody can see us in here. Okay, we'll hide right under this boat then, right? Here's the big waves coming. Oh no. Hold on tight, quick, Captain, we're coming out. Where are we? It's a lovely boat. This white one here.
That one is such a big. That is so old.
That could be really beautiful.
We already have a kayak.
That's a lovely boat, that could be. Captain, look behind me. Look at the waves, Captain. Here we go, Captain. Oh my God. They were a bit big actually, weren't they? See, Vivi, the here's a kayak. Oh, that's where you're going to go, in the water like that. Good idea.
Come on in. Ready? And you get.
It's hard work, isn't it? It's
Okay, you need to get on.
Yeah, beautiful. Uh-oh, this black one's got pirates on it. Right, let's go and give you to the pirates. Vivi, we're going to go in now and you're going to be on the pirate boat. Hello, pirates. Hello. Hello, pirates.
Hey, pirate, get like that. Wow, we're getting the pirate ship.
Where are we going? Did we hit the pirate ship?
Pirate, get us out of here. We don't need you.
Right, I'm going to hold on here, and in a minute the pirates are going to come and they're going to take you. This will be you living on this ship, and you'll be going out with all the pirates in the big sea. It's a pirate ship. And look, Daddy's holding on to the front of the pirate ship, so they're going to be very, very angry with us now. Because we're holding on to their ship. Oh, you'll be going on the pirate ship. With all the pirates and all the sharks. Which is the biggest one? No, we're not allowed to hit the really big ones. Look at us in the kayak, Viv. You can see our shadow, look, our reflection. Viv, look in the reflection of us going along that one. Well, because that's a very expensive one. Or we'd be in prison. And look at this big one coming up. This goes to Antarctica, this boat. This is a very special boat. This goes all the way to Antarctica where all the penguins live. I don't know. Let's have a quick look at it. Oh my God. It's a really thick boat, isn't it? Which ball? No, that's got all the rope on. See the rope on it? Wow, she's a beautiful big boat. And to go, she's designed, Vivi. What she's designed for, right, is to go into the ice. You know, in Antarctica, where all the penguins live, there's lots of ice, and that boat can go right into the ice. She's very, very strong boat. So, we came to see you sailing. We came to see you sailing. No engine. Only on the...
got one.
Yeah, got you. So, gonna go across and we're gonna roll. Whoa. We're rolling in the big waves. Whoa. That was lots of rolling. There's no boats ahead, are there? You sure, Captain?
That almost killed me.
See him drying his wings? To get all the water out, see? And be very quiet and I'll go in a bit closer. Vivi, look how close we are now. What was that? Oh, yeah. Do you look at those wings, Viv? Look at her wings.
When is she going to fly?
In a minute, probably. But she's just getting comfortable cleaning up all her wings. Okay, get it in the middle.
This is not good. They're headed straight for the wall. Daddy! Daddy, I mean it.
Daddy's just having a little sleep.
Dad, I mean it.
You take us back now.
Take him back. Should we crash some boats?
Good. Okay, we're not going towards the boat, are we? Good, well done. Now on the other one. Very good. I'm helping you a bit. No, not on that one, on the other one, on the other one. Other paddle. And keep going on that paddle. The same one. That's it. Very good. Now on the other paddle. So you got to keep going straight down the middle. No, other paddle, other one, that one. Keep going on that one. That's it. Okay, now a bit on the other paddle. And now each one like that. That's it. Now I'm just helping you a little bit just to keep her in line.
Dad, I know what to do.
Okay, sorry then, I won't do it then. Very good kayaking, well done, you're a big girl now. You splashed, had you? Vivi! No splashing. Daddy, you're all soaking, right? Get it straight then. Quick, Captain. Okay, very good. And keep us straight down the middle, Captain. Very good, very good. Good correction there. Other one, other one. Other one. Uh-oh. What happens now, Captain? And what do we do now, Captain? Give me the paddle. Shall I correct it for you? Okay, back over towards Daddy. Bit more. Bit more. I get it. Now, there's a bit of wind came. We'll have another in the middle. Okay, on that one. On that one. Keep going on that one. Keep going. And more. Keep going on that one. Oh my God.
Daddy!
It's alright. We're crashing. Right. Okay, get the paddle in the middle. Put the paddle in the middle.
You do it.
Come on, give it to me. It's going to be a bit low, that one.
Same idea as us.
You going to do it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Hello, Miss Hart. I didn't know what to do. How you doing?
Oh, you see anchor coming.
Quack.